Saleen S281 Mustang Coupe. Of course, underneath the hood, 4.6 liter, 3-valve overhead cam engine that is paired up with a 5-speed manual transmission. Red Fire metallic, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, confirmed mileage, a little over 30,000 on this one. I believe it's 30,463. We're going to take a look at the odometer, start it up, let you hear it run. But first, let's go ahead and take a peek at this fascia. That 965, of course, is the sequential Saleen number in its production run of 2005 Saleen Mustangs. You can see the paint does show well. Nice luster to it, reflection coming off the lights, the wall, the ceiling. And what a great color on this. Red Fire metallic. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures so you can see the underside of this car, interior, engine bay, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Riding on the Saleen chrome wagon wheel style wheels. Of course, the slotted rotors up front. You can see up and down this car. It's really not full of much for nicks, dings, scratches. Dark charcoal interior, Saleen leather. Center console, there's your 5-speed shifter. It does have a JVC stereo system upgraded in it. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. There is, I believe it was a Spectra cold air intake that has been added to this. The Saleen airbox and what would have originally came on it will be included and in the trunk. Center dump exhaust. Polished nicely. And you can check out those undersides, see that exhaust and how it works with this center dump and how it is routed. Check out the underside of this car. Does not appear that it's been driven any sort of inclement weather. Nice and clean underneath there. uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Of course, you have the Saleen rear fascia, side skirts, front fascia, and then underneath it you're going to have different sway bar front and rear, racecraft, shocks and struts, lowering springs, a little different stance, a little bit different ride. Better handling than a stock GT. Door panels. Of course, power windows, power locks, power mirrors, the amenities that you're going to have on a later model. Sports car, power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold, power seat, driver's side. Go ahead and take a look at the Saleen leather in this one, and as you can see, about what you'd expect. Car with 30-some thousand roughly miles on it. I think a little over 30,000 roughly. I'll tell you here exactly in a second. Headliner all good, dash good. Seats show well, and let's fire it up. Check the exact miles out here. There it is, 30,463. I believe that's what I said earlier. 30,463. All the gauges are in working order. No check engine lights. Service engine soon. You can hear the stereo is also working. There's a display on it. Looks like that's nav. DVD capabilities. Nice stereo system in there. You can see the rest of the dash. And what do you know? One Mr. Saleen hasn't found a sign. Once again, you don't see a lot of those. Slip around to the back. Nice exhaust note coming out of that center dome. Alright, slip up to the front. I'm going to pause this a second. Let me get this hood open And let's check this engine bay out. We'll wrap up this.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
There's the hood popped. As you can see, that hood liner clean. You can tell it has been driven in sort of inclement weather. Have all kinds of dried road grime, road salt on there. If it was, there's that cold air intake I mentioned earlier, Spectra. Here the AC compressor just kick on and off. You notice that red pulley underneath there, so the pulley's still intact. Looks like what you'd expect out of a car with this kind of miles on it. Nice, tidy, clean engine bay, smooth running. Again, 4.6 liter, 3-valve, overhead cam V8, paired up with that 5-speed manual. And remember, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, confirms miles original. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. This vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.